All right, friends, very happy Saturday to you. Aaron here bringing you your daily horoscope for Saturday, the 12th of October 2019. We have the moon at midnight on Friday. Okay, so midnight, Saturday morning, moves into Aries. Okay, that's Eastern Standard Time. So, my friends over in LA, this is happening at 9 p.m. for you. So, the moon is moving into Aries today. All right. So we're ending this downward internal, right? It's like we're gathering the information, we're calculating. We're calculating. Where do we go next? What's the next, part of the agenda here? Who are we bringing with us, right? The moon in completion over in Pisces, and then the new journey in Aries, all right? This is the journey of self. We're putting self out there, saying, I know me. I know who I am. I know what I want. I know what I need. Now, if we're still confused about that, what you need, what you want, well, this is the best time to meditate. That's what meditation is for, is to go internal and to just listen to your body. The body speaks, the body talks, and meditation helps. Love that song by Nako, if you're familiar with Nako, Medicine for the People. Right? The body talks and meditation helps. So we should be focused on who we are and what we're doing and where we're going. This is a forward momentum in this journey, okay? So we have this huge spark, that initiation, the energy to begin something, to begin a new task, to begin a new journey. Okay, which is very exciting because where everything else is at right now, so it's like highlighting self, and then right across the way we have Mars saying, yeah, but this is about others. So let me show you the chart because this is fun. This is where this, like if you remember when everything was in Virgo, it was just focus on our services that we're offering to other people. And we had everybody there, Mars, Mercury, Venus, the Sun, the Moon, all five major players of this game were all in one spot. And then when they start to split up and go all around the place, it's just like, ooh, this is when we, get these fun kind of angles and aspects. And then it's like, oh, okay, it's really coming alive right now. So we have this, journey of self and letting go of aspects of self, being more nurturing to ourselves, more emotional and caring, more independent, yet also the energy is suggesting that we take this independence, that we take this personal nurturing self-care, that we take, this release of the past, this changing and transformation of our daily lives, and now we're applying this to others. So what would normally be looked at is this is about journey of self. It's not. And I've been saying that for days and days and days, and I know you're probably getting sick of it. You're like, well, I found everybody. But it's like, no. We're still continuing this, we're still finding our tribe, so put the call out there, whatever, Bangarang Rufio. All right, so let me come back here for a second because we still have this grand kite going on, and it's going to continue going on for a couple more days, all right? And then Venus is going to pick it up afterward. So what is this kite? Again, this is emotional stability, all right, with this isosceles triangle, very safe, very sound, very, sturdy. This is a sturdy configuration that's saying, look, if you go inward, like we're talking about, into self, if you stop looking outside, okay, stop looking, I'm going to come back here and say this, stop looking outside for the answers. They're internal. The answers are inside. They're in your gut. They're in your heart. Okay? That's where the answers are. So, if we follow those, if we get this intuition, if we get this, spark, the information coming in, and we follow this, as you see here, we want to make this very, very real. That's what this is all about. This sextile wants to make it very real. Now, unfortunately, the quintile from Venus to Saturn and the quintile from Mercury to Pluto have ended. Okay, so that was a really nice creative boost that happened over the past couple of days, and now this is sextile territory. A different kind of creative and cooperative energy, different kind of flow. Excuse me, I'll come back. I'll say it's not as much as of a creative as much as it is a flow between these two different signs here. So all of this pointing up to Saturn, saying, let's make it real. Let's make this real. Let's put the test, the test of time, test these limits. Okay? Do you really want this? Do you really want these dreams? Do you really feel this? Is it what you really desire deep down, Scorpio? Deep down inside, is this what you really want? End game, big picture, big conclusion. Follow this down. Is this what your heart really desires? Is this what you need on an emotional, level? The answer is yes, and you deserve it. And you've been working hard for this. You've been working so hard for this. And then further you get, this quintile here from the moon today up to Saturn. And then we've got Mars still quintile to Jupiter. Like, have faith, my friends, have faith that it's like you deserve everything that you desire. And it's like to hold on to those desires because you're so worth it, and to not give up on these dreams. I'm getting emotional right now, but it's so important. I'm going to share this little story with you. I just did an interview with this gentleman. Okay, he young guy, younger than me, had lost his partner, his wife, to breast cancer. Very, it's heavy stuff. Thankfully, with the help of others at his work, this is years ago that this happened. Okay, through the help of others at his work, coming to help walk his dog, coming to help to be there as an emotional support. Because what happens when we get put in these situations, and stuff like that happens, it's terrible to lose a loved one, and then the spotlight comes on self, and can I handle this? Can I make it through to this next step? And it's so important that the other people are there for us when we are in that time. And it's so important when we are the other people, and it happens to one of our friends, that we are there, we can offer these services, that we can offer our help, that we can offer our love, words, or just empathy, compassion, just sit, watch a comedy or something, let's laugh a little bit. So, young gentleman lost his wife and had all of these other people helping him out along the way. And then through the course of him just keep on going, he met someone else, he was able to heal from his past love that he had lost. He was able to heal, found this wonderful woman that they came together and really hit it off. Sparks flew, where at one point he didn't see that as a possibility. The woman that he lost, that was it. This was my love, the mother of my child. And that's now gone, To almost give up, to throw in the towel would be very, very simple. But without the help of those other people, it would have been even easier, So this is our call, stepping up to do that. Now, this young man met a lovely young woman, and just over the weekend proposed and got engaged, and it's just like, she said yes. Okay. It's just like from at one moment, a dream was lost. But that feeling, that desire was still there. I mean, I talked with him just earlier today. That desire was still there of wanting and needing that partnership. And I know there's friends here on this channel that are watching right now that have loved and lost. And no, I'm not going down that road again. And it's maybe the road you're on intersects with that. There's a deep, deep desire that's going on. And it will be carried out. These rockets of desire will come into an alignment while we're retuning our antenna, and as long as we're being honest with ourselves and we have faith in ourselves. Mars quintile to Jupiter, right? Have faith in ourselves. Follow our passions. Follow, the education and the higher knowledge. And the others that we are seeking, they're just going to be there. And we're going to rejoice and celebrate. No strangers, just friends we haven't met yet, right? So, enjoy the day. This is your journey. Your journey of meeting others. So, have an awesome time. Let me, all right. I got to come back here. This is so important, okay? Because again, the moon in Aries, this here, as you're seeing this opposition here, it's just like putting self, saying yes. Yes to what? Yes to this. Yes to other people, okay? And then further here, North node means the south node's right here at 12 degrees. Okay, so that's still a conjunction to Saturn, only 2 degrees separation. Okay, so we're still releasing this old past, this old stuff. We still have to let go. Lined up, perfect. You know, of this old stuff, this old thinking, this old mental blockages for us to achieve our dreams. Okay, and it is obtainable. Going deep. And you are worth it. You are worth every bit of it. You are worth every moment of joy and laughter, and every hug, every beautiful sensation, every tear of joy. You know, all the feels. You're worth it, and you deserve it. So go out and get it. Okay. Happy Saturday, friends. We'll see you tomorrow.